Good morning, student. Two student ask question in our discussion group. So I am explaining that two question answer. First question is major question asked by the Anita Gajbhi from our group. What is summer internship? And explain us for understanding. Summer internship, it is the one type of experience of the work for short time. बहुत कम समय में काम के बारे में जान के लेना, समझ के लेना, इसी को समर इंटर्नशिप कहा जाता है. Summer internship is nothing but only summer internship. It is simply called as internship. It may be winter or in rainy season or summer. Generally students are doing internship after examination. So popular name is summer internship. Otherwise it is internship. So internship is for practical exposure for work. For example, if Anita want to do work, practical exposure we can say. Exposure. For example, if Anita want to do work in HR field, then Anita must apply in HR field. Otherwise, if Anita apply in marketing field, then it is mismatching. So select your own career. अपना खुद का करियर सिलेक्ट करिए और अपने खुद के करियर के हिसाब से वो फील्ड में इंटर्नशिप करिए. वो फील्ड में आप अगर इंटर्नशिप करेंगे तो आपको उसका फायदा होगा. You will be benefited in semester number 3 also and in your life also. Otherwise, if at the sake of you are doing summer internship or online internship we can say, then it is not a sake of doing. You must have an interest in that area. So summer internship, it is the practical exposure of work for short time. So you can work or you can understand better semester number 3, because semester number 3 is a practical semester. In that semester number 3, different specializations are there. Human resource management, marketing management, then finance, and then production management. So it is a practical. There are 6 subjects. There are 6 subjects in each specialization, and that all 6 subjects is related to only one core area. It is not like you studied in semester number 2. Semester number 2 is the introduction of all specialization. Note down. Semester number 2 is introduction of all specialization, and semester number 3 is specially one specialization. So you will learn, if you select specialization like HR, then there are 6 subjects for HR. Management of industrial relation, labor legislation, then management of training and development, compensation management, performance management. So all subject which is related to only HR field. If you will apply for HR, so it is a core in semester number 3. Semester number 3 में सब कोर्स HR से रिलेटेड हो गए. अगर आप वहां पे इंटर्नशिप करके आते हो तो आपको ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. आपको ज्यादा समझ में आएगा, आप उसको ठीक से समझ सकेंगे। आपको अगर मार्केटिंग में स्पेशलाइजेशन करना है तो आप मार्केटिंग में इंटर्नशिप करिए। आपको एचआर में स्पेशलाइजेशन करना है तो एचआर में इंटर्नशिप करिए, या फिर और कोई एरिया में स्पेशलाइजेशन करना है तो उस एरिया में इंटर्नशिप करिए। ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आप एचआर के लिए अप्लाई किए हो और आपको एचआर में करियर करना है और आप मार्केटिंग में इंटर्नशिप कर रहे। इट इज मिसमैचिंग स्टूडेंट, it is mismatching. So select specialization and select same field for internship. So summer internship will benefit you in semester number 3. So understanding is simple, it is a practical exposure. So due to this pandemic COVID-19, I already intimated you. So you have to do on the online summer internship training. It means you have to apply Internshala or any other reference you can take and do work from home. I am not expecting student you have to go anywhere and do. I am expecting only online internship. So you understand the nature of the work, practical work. So we are forcing in the sense suggesting for internship. So they should have minimum practical knowledge, so they understand practical semester number 3. So it is about summer internship program, summer internship. And then second question, I think it asked by the Rajat. Question is regarding the selection of course for internship. Actually course नहीं चाहिए यहाँ पे चाहिए टॉपिक. ओके, कोर्स नहीं बोलते हैं. ओके, तो जैसे आपने सेमिस्टर नंबर 2 में पढ़ लिया, अभी पैंडेमिक कोविड-19 के वजह से हमारा क्लासेस थोड़ा डिस्टर्ब हुआ. आप लोग बहुत कम पढ़ पाए, लेकिन उसके बाद में ऑनलाइन में आपको एक्सपीरियंस है. तो ऑनलाइन में जो एक्सपीरियंस है उस 7 सब्जेक्ट को लेके 7 सब्जेक्ट में से आपको कौन से सब्जेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट है ये देखना है. फिर वो एक सब्जेक्ट सिलेक्ट करना है. आउट ऑफ 7 you have to select one subject and see the detailed syllabus of that one subject. Then after observation of detailed syllabus, you must focus on one topic out of that whole syllabus which you are interested. You must have interest in that topic. It is not a sake of selection. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको वो जो सिलेक्शन आप कर रहे हैं कोई जबरदस्ती कर रहे. जबरदस्ती का सिलेक्शन आपको नहीं करना है. आपको क्या करना है? वही टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करना है जिसमें आपको इंटरेस्ट हो. वही टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करना है समर इंटर्नशिप में जिसमें आपको इंटरेस्ट हो, तो आपको फायदा होगा. नहीं तो आधा टॉपिक करेंगे, आधा टॉपिक वेबसाइट से कॉपी पेस्ट करेंगे, आधा आपको समझ में आ रहा है, 25% आपको समझ में आ रहा है, 75% आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। फिर क्या फायदा? फिर क्या फायदा? सो स्टूडेंट, you have to select topic which you have with interest. You have basic interest in that topic. So selection of the topic is this is the methodology. Then how you can select the topic? I will explain how you can select. How I can select topic. See, analyze the basic understanding, basic situation which is going on around you. Analyze the basic conditions in your area. Basic conditions in HR, marketing, or finance, or production. Understand what are the practices which is new, because if you are researching on new topic or new practices, then it will useful. आपको देखना है कि HR फील्ड में नई प्रैक्टिस कौन सी आई है, मार्केटिंग फील्ड में न्यू प्रैक्टिस कौन सा है, फाइनेंस फील्ड में नया प्रैक्टिस कौन सा है, प्रोडक्शन फील्ड में नया प्रैक्टिस कौन सा है। नया प्रैक्टिस आपको देखने के बाद में उससे रिलेटेड टॉपिक आपको सिलेक्ट करना है। पुराने टॉपिक बहुत हो गए, HR वाले पुराने टॉपिक बहुत हो गए, ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट, परफॉर्मेंस मैनेजमेंट, रिक्रूटमेंट एंड सिलेक्शन, बहुत हो गए। इससे रिलेटेड नहीं करना है, ये थोड़ा सैचुरेशन हो गया है ये टॉपिक का। उसके बाद में मार्केटिंग में सबसे बढ़िया टॉपिक क्या, कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन। ये क्या बात हो गई? ठीक है, आपको कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन पे करना है, लेकिन एक नए एरिया से लेके करना है, नए सिरे से लेके टॉपिक को डेवलप करना है। फाइनेंस में फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग जनरल टॉपिक होता है। ये क्या बात हो गई? आपको उसमें कोर एरिया में जाना है और कोर एरिया में से एक टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करना है। एंड आई विल हेल्प यू होल इन सिलेक्शन ऑफ टॉपिक। You can call me, I can discuss with you about selection of topic, and we will interact in on office.com in tomorrow or day after tomorrow we will interact. So you have to select a topic according to the demand of the market. You are selecting the same topic if production procedure, production process. It is old. So select the topic which is more interesting, which is in demand. For example, in human resource management, talent management is new one. Analysis of exit employee is new one. Then stress management is not new, but it is interesting one. Stress management. Data you you have to gather from the industry, and it is not easy if it is related to stress. HR student, it is not easy to select data or to collect data from employee, because it is a personal. HR is a personal. So doing research in HR, it means you have to directly contact with the employee, and employee is not simple. Human is not simple. Human will not answer straight away. So understand it. And HR student, you have to make a googly question, otherwise employee will not answer. Marketing student, you can do work in market, and many topics are there related to marketing. In next module, we will discuss about the possible topics in HR, possible topics in marketing, possible topics in finance, and possible topic in production. So I will more focus on HR and marketing, because we already notice my specialization is HR, marketing, and production. So I will explain little bit about finance, but other thing I will cover other than finance. So it is about the selection of the topic. So homework for you student, go through the syllabus, select your subject, select your subject, see the whole syllabus of one subject which you have interest, and then select one topic from the syllabus. And then you can convey to me, sir, I have selected this topic, and then please guide me how I can do the internship in this field. Okay, and sorry, I will explain whole in this discussion. So no issue for any problem, no issue at all. So student, my main request is this: ask question to me. So I will prepare my best. If you will not ask question, then how I will prepare for you? So ask question. So I will prepare my best for you. So thank you very much for your attention. And student, if anyone is not subscribed to this YouTube channel, this is a official YouTube channel from my side. You have to subscribe and then press the bell icon. So learning video will there, and you will get learning video in short time in your inbox. So subscribe to this channel, and it is very good to interact with you in future also. So this is module number 1, and in module number 2 we'll discuss about the selection of the topic from human resource management, selection of the topic from marketing management and production management, and little bit about the financial management. So student, thank you very much.